So hello guys, welcome back to the video of TechYoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix camera shutter lag on Samsung phone. So if the camera shutter lags on your phone, then follow these steps to fix it. First of all, long press the camera icon. Now hit tap on the side button. Now scroll down and tap on storage. Now hit tap on clear data and tap on delete. Now once you do this, open the camera app again and see if the issue is fixed or not. If the issue is not fixed, then open the settings app. Now scroll down and tap on device care. Now hit tap on memory. Now hit tap on clean now. And this will free up the RAM. Now once you do this, go back to the home screen. Now open the camera app and see if the issue is fixed or not. If not, then restart your phone. For this, long press power button and volume down button together, like this. Now once you get this menu, tap on restart and tap on restart again. And once you restart the phone, the issue will be fixed. So this can fix camera shutter lag on Samsung phone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe channel.